Take a ride in the 2019 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, fog lights, clock, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, outside temperature gauge. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.